Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word waist. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She tied a ribbon around her waist to accentuate her hourglass figure. The waist is the narrow part of the body between the ribs and hips, where clothing like belts and skirts are typically worn for a more defined silhouette. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.